How to recover a disabled Facebook account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover disabled Facebook accounts. So after you open up your phone now, go ahead and open your browser. After you open any browser that you are using, just tap on the search in your browser. So after you open your browser like this now, go ahead and search for this website, Wiki. So as you can see now, here is the website. As you can see now, here it says wikihow.com/contact-facebook. So I'll give you the link of this website in the comment section of this video. So open the link like this. After you open the link like this now, as you can see now, here it says how to contact Facebook. Easy ways to get account help. Now scroll all the way to down. Scroll to down. So now if you scroll to down, as you can see now, here it says using a direct contact form is just like sending an email, except you are more likely to get a reply. So scroll to down. As you can see now, tap on this option. Here it says if your personal account was disabled. So now if I tap on this option now, as you can see now, if I tap on this link, now it will give me a form to fill. So by filling that form, I can now in the form, I will just go ahead and type in my email address and the description of my Facebook account that I lost, that was disabled. So from there, you can wait for Facebook to reach out to you within some hours or a day, or some days. So from there, you can be able to get a possible method to recover your disabled Facebook account. That's it, guys, on how to recover a disabled Facebook account. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.